Hi, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube. Okay. Today my video topic is tax strategies for high income earner to reduce taxable income. Okay, and let's start this. Is five strategies for high income earners. Okay. Our big advice for high income earner do as the boy Scots do, who always prepared proper preparation and provides a strong foundation and for managing your finance and is uh, arguable and even more critical step for high income earners are more investments, public and private, and charitable giving all present and their on a unique tax sincere scanneries is a thoughtful approach using the right strategies can help you who might get tax liabilities is will you build wealth more effectively. Okay, number one is maximize retirement contribution. Okay, stop us if you have hard this one. A key tax strategy for high income earner is to max out retirement contribution, and that means contributing the maximum allowable movement to retirement accounts such as 401k, IRS, IRA, SR, SCP, IRS, a contribution to retirement accounts as typically tax dedication dedu say dedicatable, which lower your taxable income for the current year. Okay. Moreover, the money you invest in these accounts can grow or tax deferred until you decide to withdraw it. Always your saving to grow over time as a bonus. Some employers offer a matching contribution effectively increasing your retirement saving without additional offers bearing in any highly unusual circum- circumstances. You now max out your retirement contribution is a basic tent of building your wealth. If you are not already doing it, this is your sign to take the steps and get it done. And number two is tax efficiency investment accounts. High income earner should also consider investing in tax efficiency accounts to minimize tax liabilities. These accounts like taxable brokerage account and tax management mutual fund have advantage and disadvantage. One of the peer perks of tax efficient account is they offer many investment options, always allowing you to diversify diversify your portfolio effectively. Plus, these investment can generate capital gain, which are often taxed at lower rates than ordinary income. If you hold on to your investment for the long term. You who might even qualify for lower capital gain tax rate, a win-win for your tax bill. Number three is tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting involves selling investments that have experienced losses to offset capital gain, ultimately reducing your tax liability. This strategy allow you to offset gain from profitable investment with losses from underperforming in one, reducing in your overall tax liability by minimizing capital gain taxes. You keep more of your investment returns and can reinvest those savings for further growth regularly. Harvesting tax losses can improve the overall performance of your investment portfolio by optimizing your tax situation. Number four is tax advantage. Tax advantage is investment. Investment is tax advantage as vehicles such as municipal bond, health saving account, and 529 colleges saving plan offer and other tax efficient strategy for high income earner will providing a portfolio diversification. These investments offer the potential for free or tax deferred growth, allowing your investment to compound more effectively. Some tax advantage investment and like a municipal bond may offer competitive return will providing tax benefits. Tax advantage account who have some disadvantage. They may restrict the type of investment you can hold, limiting your investment choice, and some have a minimum annual contribution limited, which may not accommodate significant wealth accumulation. Depending on the type of tax advantage account, there may be limitation and on when and how you can access your funds, potentially affecting your liquidity. Number five and loss, charitable giving and donor advising fund. Last but not least, charitable giving can be both fulfilling and a smart tax strategy for those high income earner with philanthropic uh, separate donor advised funds offer a structured approach to charitable giving, will providing tax advantage donation to qualified organization can be dedicated from your taxable income, reducing your overall tax liability. These allow you to positively impact the cases and organization you are passionate about, will providing tax advantage that get you closer to your financial goal. There are a limit on the number of charitable dedication you can claim, so not all contribution may be fully
a dedicatable DAFS after charge management fees will can reduce the overall impact of your charitable giving and one year contribute to DAFS fund become irrevocable uh, irrevocable and must be used for philanthropic purpose. Limited your control hour of the access as self. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video, and see you next time. Okay, let's go. Bye bye.